Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted anything on this channel. I left it a little bit dormant and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna post something in this quarantine period while I'm on lockdown. Let's be productive and produce something good. So what I came up with was a makeup look, a matte or simple makeup look with a red lipstick. I ended up choosing the Ruby Woo lipstick because I was torn, and I mentioned that because I was torn between the Ruby Woo and the Russian red lipstick, both from MAC. So yeah, I started off this video. By the way, thank you for watching if you're a first timer, and if you've always been with me, honestly, welcome back to the channel. At this point, I'm showing you the Morphe palette. It's the matte one, I believe, and I did introduce the product at some point in the beginning, but I'm pretty sure I edited it out. So here's me doing my eyebrows after I put on the brow gel, and I don't want to narrate everything in here, but I did show all the products, and I will try and stick them all in the little section below the video as well. If you like this video or you enjoy this video, the editing, anything in this video, leave a comment below for me. Like the video, subscribe if you would like to, that would be great too. Stay around, and obviously I'll try and post as much video as I can. I will chime in at some point in this video to obviously explain some of the things that I did. I was talking throughout the video, so you would notice that my lips are moving quite a bit, but I decided to edit the sound out because some of the content was just not appropriate, so I decided to mute it and do a voiceover instead. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, so I don't want to distract you or anything. Stay focused, enjoy the video, enjoy a cup of tea or whatever else you're doing while you're watching this video, and I'll chime in at some point later, okay? Okay, so if you're wondering what I'm doing at this point, I'm using my sponge to pick up the mineralized skin finish in Deep Dark that I used in the video. You can go ahead and use a brush if you want to, but I decided to use a sponge because my skin is feeling a bit dry at the minute and I didn't want too much texture on my skin. So what I did was use the moist or used sponge, I should say, and I just dabbed it over the surface of the powder, and I put it in the places that I wanted to put it on. Again, you can use the brush like I said before. You don't have to do what I did, but this is what I've been doing now that I've noticed that my skin is a little bit dry, so yeah. Okay, so if you don't understand what I mean by contouring for some facial dimension in the caption, what I mean is that I'm trying to add some depth and contours to the face so that my face does not look like a flat surface. So what I'm doing with the contour and the highlight is I'm mimicking the patterns and the shape of the face to reflect some of the regions where the shadow falls, and obviously to exaggerate the parts of my body, my face rather, where the sun would naturally hit. So somewhere like my cheek, the sun would naturally hit, so I'll put a highlighter to push it forward, okay, or to show it more. And obviously the region where under my cheek where I'm using the contour is the region where shadows would naturally fall. So when you do that naturally, it shifts your face a little bit and it improves how it looks or how it appears, hence adding that feature or aspect of that look that you're trying to create, which is why I use dimension, okay? So yeah, I've just added a little bit of that, and at this point I'm powdering my face and I'm adding more, a bit more of the Deep Dark face powder to it, just to reduce the heaviness of the contour as well as the highlight, okay? I hope that did make sense and I don't sound too like, I don't know, deep or whatever for you guys, yeah? So I decided to add a Kiko eyeshadow that I found lying about. Is one of my go-to eyeshadows. I can't remember the name off the top of my head though. So I added it to the look at this point, and at this point as well, I have my Ruby Woo lipstick and lip liner that I've got on. The rest of the video is self-explanatory really. I ended up trying to do my hair on camera. It was a bit of a struggle, to be honest with you, but I went ahead and did it anyway. So just carry on watching as normal, and I will say my goodbyes at the end. I hope you're enjoying watching it though. Yeah, so let's carry on, guys. So here's the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and produce more of these videos. It's really difficult to film, honestly, and my hats off to all the YouTubers that I've been watching over the years. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one as always. Okay, bye guys.